Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to make a game pass for Please Donate on mobile. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your Chrome or whatever web browser you use. Then you're gonna head over to roblox.com. So I'm gonna click and search up roblox.com. Okay. So once you're there on roblox.com, you're gonna click. You have to log in first, and then you're gonna click on these three dots on the top right corner, top left corner, and then you're gonna click on create. Okay, you're gonna click on create right there. Alright, so once you're here, you're gonna click on your experience. So here's mine. It'll be auto created for you, so I'm gonna click on it. Then you're gonna click on those three dots on the top left, and you'll have to go over to associated items. So I'm going there. Once you're here, you'll see the option of passes, so I'm gonna click there, and then you can click create a pass, and then you have to put the images. It will be automatically there. If you want to change, you can click on that and put any picture you want. You can give a name, so I'm gonna give a name, please donate. Okay, then you're gonna give a description. I'm gonna say thank you. Okay, and then you're gonna click create the pass. Okay, just gonna wait for it. Alright, so once that's done, as you guys can see, this is the pass I just created. Please donate. So currently it's off sale, so now I have to put it on sale. So I'm gonna click on the pass. I'm gonna click on the three dots on the top left corner, and I'm gonna click on sales. So once I'm there, I have to open this option which says item for sale, and I'm gonna put a price for it. So I'm gonna give a price, let's say 10 Robux, and I'm gonna say click save changes. So if someone purchases this, you're gonna get 7 Robux, because 30% goes to Roblox. So save changes. I'm gonna wait for it. Alright, so the item is saved. Now if I go back, basic settings, go back, you guys can see that the Game Pass is on sale for 10 Robux. So now if you go on Please Donate, the people will be able to see this and they can purchase it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.